Hello guys, it's Mokuba here. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to delete Facebook Reel videos. Let's get into the video. So, the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to choose the Reel video you want to delete. Click on it. After which, you click on this three dots here. Once you're there, you are going to see what delete. You click on delete. After which, you click on what delete. So guys, that is actually the way you delete Reel videos on Facebook. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below if you face any difficulty doing this. We love you all. See you in the next video. Peace.